This fighter jet has no pilot, no runway, and it can still go to war. And what I'm about to show you might completely change how air battles are fought forever. Meet XBAT. But before I explain what it is, you need to understand why this jet is terrifying. For more than 100 years, every fighter jet had the same problem. If you destroy the runway, the jet is useless. If the pilot is lost, the mission is over. XBAT was designed to break both rules. A company called Shield AI asked a dangerous question. What if a fighter jet could fly, think, and fight by itself even when humans lose control? That question created XBAT. First, the takeoff. XBAT doesn't roll forward, it goes straight up. It can launch from ships, from islands, from hidden locations. No runway, no warning. That alone makes it hard to stop. But this is where it gets crazy. XBAT doesn't need a remote controller. Inside, it is an AI brain. If GPS is blocked, it keeps flying. If communication is cut, it keeps thinking. If plans change, it adapts. This jet doesn't wait for orders. It makes decisions on its own. And this is not a small toy drone. It can fly very far, carry real weapons, and do multiple missions in one flight. Even crazier, you can fit 3 XBATs in the space of one traditional fighter jet. That's 3 minds, 3 aircraft, 1 mission. No pilot means no human life inside. No runway means no easy target. An AI reacts faster than humans ever can. This isn't just a new jet. It's a completely new way of controlling the sky. Right now, XBAT is still being tested. But one day soon, air battles may happen faster than humans can even understand. So the real question is not, can XBAT fight? The real question is, are humans ready to share the sky with thinking machines? If this shocked you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you trust an AI fighter jet in war? I'll see you in the next one.